Hello students, as in the previous class we have started digestive system of human or simply digestive system of man. We have discussed that digestive system of man includes two main major portions, that are the alimentary canal and the associated glands. We have also discussed about the alimentary canal and how many parts are present in the alimentary canal. We have also discussed about in detail about the mouth portion, and also we have started the buccal cavity portion. As we all know, in buccal cavity three major portions are present or three major parts are present. One is the palate, other is the teeth, third one is the tongue. We have discussed palate in detail. What is palate? There are two types of palate. One is the anterior hard palate and posterior soft palate. But soft palate we will read in little bit in detail. That soft palate is the posterior part of the palate region, which is somehow fleshy and soft in nature. Soft palate, it is present in the posterior region of the palate. Second point, it is somehow fleshy and soft in nature. It is fleshy and soft in nature. Third point, what is the main function of the soft palate? As we have studied earlier, hard palate's function is to mainly for the gripping of the food, means to hold the food by which we can easily masticate the food. Similarly, the function of the soft palate is to swallow the food properly. It helps in swallowing of the food. Fourth point, another portion called uvula is present to the posterior region of the soft palate, which is known as uvula. Uvula, which is present posterior to the soft palate region, and it hangs freely, and its function is to prevent the food entering into the nasal cavity. Uvula present, or simply we can say uvula is followed by soft palate. The function of uvula is to prevent the food from entering into the nasal cavity. The main function of uvula is to prevent the food from entering into the nasal cavity. So the main function of the uvula freely hangs down. The structure is like this. uvula structure is as like this. The uvula is immediately followed, or we can say it is present posterior to the soft palate, and the main function of the soft palate is to the main function of the uvula is to prevent the food from entering into the nasal cavity. So these are the some points under the soft palate. First point is the soft palate. It is present in the posterior region of the palate. Soft palate is somehow fleshy and soft in nature. The function of the soft palate is to help in swallowing of the food easily. A hanging like portion is present immediately next to the soft palate, or we can say soft palate is followed by uvula, which hangs down freely, which help in preventing the food entering into the nasal cavity. Now we will discuss the next part of the buccal cavity, that is teeth. Next we will discuss the next portion of the buccal cavity region, that is teeth. So the first point, the study of teeth is known as odontology, and the arrangement of teeth is known as dentition. The study of teeth is known as odontology. And the arrangement of the teeth is known as dentition. तो दीटा जिनस टिके ऑब्जेक्टिव पे आपण मन रखंतु. The study of teeth is known as odontology, whereas the arrangement of the teeth is known as dentition. Next we'll discuss the various types of teeth, how the teeth is being divided, or on which basis it is being divided. The teeth is characterized or divided basically on the basis of two factors: on the basis of growth, second one on the basis of shape. First we'll discuss that teeth are divided on the basis of growth. First we'll discuss types of teeth now. Types of teeth. First, on the basis of growth. On the basis of growth, teeth is being divided into four parts. First is the, or four types. First is the monophyodont. What is known by the monophyodont? If the teeth develops only once in the lifetime, then it is known as monophyodont. And the common example is squirrel. Monophyodont. If the teeth develops only once in the lifetime, then it is the type of teeth is known as monophyodont. If the teeth develops only once in the lifetime, it is known as monophyodont. And the common example is squirrel, माने गुंडुची मूषा. जदि पूरा लाइफ टाइम रे जदि टीथ थरे ही आसे ताल ताको हम कहबा कि सेही टाइप ऑफ टीथ को कहबा इट इज नोन एज monophyodont टीथ, माने टीथ डेवलप ओनली वंस इन द होल लाइफ टाइम. एग्जांपल इज squirrel. The common example is squirrel. Second one is diphyodont. If the teeth develop twice in the lifetime, it is known as diphyodont. Common example is in our case human being. दी थर आम केस दांत आसे गोटे होची मिल्क टीथ जोटा को कहा जाए क्षीर दांत बोली. नेक्स्ट द अडल्ट वन और आफ्टर द मिल्क टीथ जो टीथ आसे आम केस रे दैट इज नोन एज so the type of teeth that is present in case of human being is known as diphyodont. Means the teeth develop twice in the lifetime. Diphyodont. Teeth develops twice in the lifetime. Example, common example, human being. Third is the polyphyodont. Polyphyodont means what? If the teeth develop more than twice or many times in the whole lifetime, then it is known as polyphyodont. माने जेते थरो आपण मानको दांत नष्ट होतु सेते थरो न्यू दांत हमरो आपण मानकर माने ऑर्गेनिज्म मानकर से रिप्लेस हेतु. माने the old teeth are being replaced by the new ones. जेते थरो भांगुतो माने many times. If the teeth are being developed many times in the lifetime is known as polyphyodont. Common example are fishes and reptiles. Polyphyodont. Teeth develops many times in the whole lifetime. Example, fishes, reptiles, etc. So the third one is the polyphyodont. Means if the teeth develops many times or more than twice or many times in the whole lifetime, then it is known as polyphyodont. Means the old teeth are many times extended by the new teeth. For example, common example are the fishes or the reptiles. The last one or the fourth type is the thecodont. Thecodont. If the teeth is being embedded firmly by their roots in a bony socket, it is known as थिकोडोंट टीथ. द कॉमन एग्जांपल इज ह्यूमन बीइंग. माने कोन जदी टीथ गुडाक फर्मली एम्बेडेड माने पोता हे कि थिबो माने पूरा जेमति कि तांकर रूट्स गुडा को लागि कि ना थिबो इन द बोनी सॉकेट जेमति ह्यूमन मानो केस रे माडी रे पूरा दांत गुडा को फिक्स हे कि थाउ जेमति एम्बेडेड माने कोन फिक्स हे कि थिबो दांत रे आपन माडी गुडा को अछि तो सेही थरे दांत गुडा रे जेमति कि सेडा को माडी द्वारा से फिक्स हे कि थिबो जहा द्वारा कि से गुडा बोनी सॉकेट द्वारा एम्बेडेड हे कि थिबो माने द टीथ व्हिच आर एम्बेडेड बाय देयर रूट्स in a bony socket, it is known as thecodont. Common example is human case. आमो केस जेमति कि टीथ माने दांत गुडा को गम्स किंबा हमर माडी जो थाए सेतरे हमर डीपली एम्बेडेड हे कि अछि तार रूट्स द्वारा इन ए बोनी सॉकेट तले सेही टाइप ऑफ टीथ को कहै छै thecodont means what if the teeth are embedded firmly by their roots and it is fixed in a bony socket it is known as thecodont. If teeth are embedded in a firmly by their roots, firmly by their roots inside the bony socket. Example, human beings. The teeth that are embedded firmly by their roots inside the bony socket. Common example, human beings. So we have discussed the type of teeth on the basis of their growth. माने केमती बढ़ुची से on the basis of growth माने केमती सेटा बढ़ुची. If there are basically 4 type of teeth on the basis of growth. First one is the monophyodont, second one is the diphyodont, third is the polyphyodont, fourth one is the thecodont. Monophyodont means if the teeth develops once in a lifetime. Common example is squirrel माने गुंडू चिमसी. In the second case, the diphyodont, if the teeth develop more than once or twice in the lifetime, we can say twice in the lifetime. So the common example is human being. Then that type of teeth is known as diphyodont. Third is the polyphyodont, means if the teeth develops many times in the whole lifetime, then it is known as polyphyodont. The common examples are fishes and reptiles. And last one is the thecodont. If the teeth are embedded firmly by their roots in a bony socket, then it is known as thecodont. The common example is human being. Bujhile? Next we will discuss the types of teeth on the basis of their shape. On the basis of shape. So on the basis of shape, the teeth is being divided into 2 types. One is the homodont, other one is the heterodont. What is homodont type of teeth? If the shape of the teeth, all the shape of the teeth of the organism are in similar, then it is known as homodont. Common example, fishes and reptiles. First type is homodont, means teeth are similar in shape. Common example, fishes and reptiles. Second one is the heterodont, means If the teeth are not similar or different in shape, then it is known as heterodont. As in our case, our common example is human being. Second case is heterodont. Teeth are different in shape. Common example is human being. First time discuss कले on the basis of growth. एबे हम डिस्कस कले on the basis of shape किबा size केमति समान को स्ट्रक्चर अछि केमति समान को शेप अछि. तो सब गुडा को टीथ जदि एका भलिया अछि, then we can say that type of teeth is known as homodont. Means if the teeth, all the teeth are similar in shape, then it is known as homodont. Example, fishes and reptiles. If the teeth are not similar or they vary or they are different in shape, then that type of teeth किबा जदि गुडा सब माने जति गुडा भी दांत अछि अधिकांश गुडा केते गुडा माने गोटे अगर दांत आ गोटे दांत टू अलगा थिबो. जेंति ह्यूमन बीइंग मानो केस रे हम पाखरे चारटा प्रकार दांत अछि, तो कहया गले सब दांत तो सेम नुह. तो आम मानो केस रे कोन हबो हेटेरोडोंट, माने द टीथ आर नॉट सिमिलर, दे आर डिफरेंट इन शेप. So the type of teeth in our case or in case of human being which are not similar or different in shape, those type of teeth are known as heterodont teeth. Means the teeth are not similar or different in shape. Common example is human being. So besides the division of teeth on the basis of growth, as we said earlier, monophyodont, diphyodont, polyphyodont and thecodont, whereas on the basis of shape, homodont or heterodont, generally the teeth is divided into 4 types. Generally, we can say the types of teeth in general. In case of human being, we can say, or in case of normal, in generally, teeth are of 4 types: incisor, canines, premolar, molar. Incisor, canines, premolar, and the last one is the molar. First we will discuss the incisor. Incisor teeth are somehow chisel shaped. Means chisel shaped mean ए बड़िया किछटा स्ट्रक्चर थी. Chiseled माने ए बड़िया किछटा स्ट्रक्चर थी. धारुआ बड़िया करक बड़िया जोड़ा कि काटिया पे हेल्प करे. तो incisor teeth are somehow chisel shaped teeth which helps in cutting the food. माने ए teeth गुड़ाको. These are the chisel shaped teeth which helps in cutting the food. Chisel shaped teeth helps in cutting the food. जेतबे आमे किछि भी खाइबा खाइथौ ताकू सिंपली कट करिवारे ए गुडा टीथ आमे सिंपली जेबे खाइबा खाइथौ त कट करिवारे हेल्प करते. तो the incisor are the chisel shaped teeth which helps in cutting the food. Next type of teeth is canines. These are the pointed teeth. A portion में था यहाँ पर. This one, the pointed teeth. These are the pointed teeth which helps in tearing of the food. Or else, canines are also known as the tearing teeth. These are the pointed teeth which helps in tearing of the food. The canines are also known as the tearing teeth, as these are pointed like structure and also helps in tearing the food. That's why the canines are also known as the tearing teeth. Third one is the premolar. These are somehow broad like teeth which helps in crushing or grinding of the food, or we can say simply helps in mastication of the food. These are broad teeth, helps in crushing or grinding of the food. Same goes on for the molars. The molars are also broad teeth and also they helps in crushing and grinding of the food. These are also simply we can say the broad teeth which also helps in further crushing and grinding of the food. So the premolars and molars, we can say both the teeth helps in crushing and grinding of the food. माने जेतले हम खाइबाटा खाइथौ ताको कट कला के इंसिजर, टियर कला के कैनाइन्स, किंतु चोबेवा दायित्वटा थाय हमर मोलर, प्रीमोलर्स और मोलर्स ऊपर. तो सिंपली प्रीमोलर्स एंड मोलर्स have the same function, but they are differed in somehow in the structure. The structure of the molar is somehow different from the premolar, because they both have the same function as for the grinding or crushing of the food, but there is a slight difference in between the structure of the molar and the premolar. Next, another point, the premolar and the molar teeth are also known as cheek teeth. आपण मन सुनी थिबे कळ दांत बोली कहते. काहे कि ना premolars and molar teeth are also known as the cheek teeth, because they helps in the crushing or grinding of the food. They are present on the posterior, माने सबटु एंड रे थाय हमर premolar और molar. इंसिजर रहबो, तापर कैनाइन रहबो, तापर प्रीमोलार रहबो, तापर मोलार रहबो. तो प्रीमोलार और मोलार जेतु तार पोजीशन ए पोजीशन रे अछि हमर, सेति पे these are also called as cheek teeth. Now we'll discuss the dental formula, or we can say, as I said earlier, the arrangement of teeth is known as dentition. The arrangement of teeth is known as dentition, which is generally denoted by dental formula. This is very important. As we have studied earlier, the arrangement of teeth is known as dentition, and the dentition is generally denoted by the dental formula. So, what is the dental formula? The dental formula is the ratio between the number of teeth present on the half of the upper jaw and the number of teeth present on the half of the lower jaw. Definition is dental formula is defined as the ratio between the number of teeth present in the on the half of the upper jaw and the half of the and number of teeth present on the half of the lower jaw. Simply we can write dental formula. Dental formula can also be denoted by, we can write in a ratio, number of teeth on half of upper jaw divided by number of teeth on half of lower jaw. बुझिपाले? As I have said earlier, the dental formula is defined as the ratio between the number of teeth of present in the half of the upper jaw and the number of teeth present on the half of the lower jaw. Dental formula is defined as the ratio between the number of teeth present on the half of the upper jaw and number of teeth present on the half of the lower jaw. ताको जे हम एटा आपन को मन रख थांदु, this is very important. Dental formula is equal to number of teeth on half of upper jaw divided by number of teeth on half of lower jaw. So dental formula of human being, different organisms, they have different type of different number of dental formula. In human being also, there are 3 cases of dental formula, such as in case of the milk teeth, in case of the 16 years old child, and also in the case of adult. Dental formula माने आपण कोन बुझले? It is the ratio of the number of teeth present on the half of the upper jaw. This one is the upper jaw, this one is the lower jaw. Half of the upper jaw ratio can be divided by half of the number of teeth present on the half of the lower jaw. So the ratio between the number of teeth present in the half of the upper jaw and the number of teeth present on the lower jaw is your dental formula. अच्छा आ गोटे जिनस मु पॉइंट लिखि देबा चाहूची, आपनकर डाइफायोडोन टीथ जते बेले मु आपनको टाइप ऑफ टीथ पढिथि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ग्रोथ, डाइफायोडोन टीथ रो आपनको बुझाई देछि, डेफिनेशन टा लिखला बेले टिके ऊपर को हे जेतला, मु सेटा कोन टिके क्लियरली लिखि दोछि, आपन माने लिखि दियन सेटा। एटा बुझि परले? डाइफायोडोंट मु पढै देछि, सेटा ऊपर गुटी लिखि देथिली, आपण डेफिनेशन काले लिखि पर नथिबे केते जण, आ तो प्रॉपर लिखि दो सेटा के ऐड करनु। आपको बुझे देछि आगुरु डायप और डोंट on the basis of growth belt if the teeth develops twice in the lifetime example human being लिखि दियन दुइटा प्रॉपर्ली ठीक अछि so now we'll discuss various example of dental formula but before going to the example of dental formula I want to say one thing that the last molar teeth which arises or which comes in case of adult is also known as wisdom teeth सेति पई म आपन मान कहली तीनटा केस माने मिल टीथ केस रे पुणी मिल टीथ भागी किना जो न्यू टीथ आसीबो से केस माने अप टू 16 years पर माने आफ्टर 16 years when the wisdom teeth comes then also the dental formula changes बुझि परले सो the गोटे पॉइंट में ऐड करिया चाहू छी the last molar teeth is also known as wisdom teeth which comes in the adult case in adult the last molar teeth is also known as wisdom teeth which generally happens in the 16 years or after the 16 years बहुत जन को 16 year केस रे आस्ता है किमा 16 years पर भी आपण मानकर बहुत टिका लेट रे 18 years पर किमा 20 years रे भी बहुत जन को आस्ता है तो सेटा होची हमर wisdom teeth किबा last molar teeth so now we'll discuss various examples of dental formula examples of dental formula तीनटा केस हम देखिबा we'll study three cases first is the mill teeth case first is the dental formula of mill teeth the dental formula in the mill teeth is 2102 divided by 2102 2102 ratio 2102 रेशियो टा केमती थाए ब्रैकेट रे मु लिखि दोची इंसिजर कैनाइन प्रीमोलर मोलर इंसिजर कैनाइन प्रीमोलर मोलर बुझि परले तो इनटू 2 जेहेतु एटा हाफ होची ताकू इनटू 2 कर दवा बुझि परले ता माने मिल टीथ मानो केस रे हमरो सिंपली प्रीमोलर न थाए बुझ पले एटा हाफ ऑफ द अपर जॉ कथा कहूछ माने हाफ ऑफ द अपर जॉ मींस अपर जॉ रे इन द केस ऑफ मिल टीथ दीटा आपनर देयर आर टू इंसिजर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर जॉ हाफ ऑफ द अपर जॉ इन द लोअर जॉ टू incisors are present on the half of the lower jaw one canine is present in the half of the upper jaw one canine is present on the half of the lower jaw there are no premolar then there are two molars present on the half of the upper jaw and two molar present on the half of the lower jaw so in total how many teeth are present 2 3 5 this one is the 5 into 2 this one is the 10 on the upper jaw total teeth this is the half of the teeth into 2 कले हमें काहे एटा हाफ जो अछि एटा half of the upper jaw half of the lower jaw तो 5 into 2 10 lower also 10 so total number of teeth present in case of mill teeth in case of human being is known as 20 बुझ परले सेंति we will discuss the dental formula 16 years age माने जेतेबेले कि आपनकर wisdom teeth आसी नथिबो माने last molar teeth एबे भी आसी नथिबो तो से केस रे the second example dental formula of 16 years child. dental formula will be 2 1 2 2. 2 1 2 2 means the number of incisor present on the half of upper jaw is 2. The number of incisor present on the half of the lower jaw is 2. Number of canine present on the half of upper jaw is 1. Number of canine present in the half of lower jaw is also 1. But now newly the premolar arises, or we can say 2 premolar arises on the half of the upper jaw, and the 2 premolars are present on the half of the lower jaw. Then the numbers of molars are present on the half of the upper jaw are 2, and the number of molars present on the half of the lower jaw is also 2. So we can simply multiply into 2. These are the half of the upper jaw and the half of the lower jaw. We can simply multiply into 2 to get the total number of teeth. So we can simply multiply into 2. So how many teeth are present? 2. 1 3 2 5 5 2 6. 6 into 12. 6 into 2 12. 2 1 3 3 2 2 1 2 1 3 3 2 5 5 2 7. Sorry, 7 into 2 14. 14 teeth are present on the upper jaw and 14 teeth present on the lower jaw. So total number of teeth present in the child in case of 16 years of age is known as is how much? Is around 28 number of teeth are present. बुझी पाले? तो 16 years मान को पिला मान को एज केस रे हमर नंबर ऑफ टीथ होची 28. Lastly, the dental formula in case of adult. Dental formula of adult. The dental formula in case of adult is, आपण माने निजे इमेजिन करंतु मु कहितली आफ्टर 16 years the last molar teeth arises. जदि लास्ट मोलर टीथ arises हे जाउची माने नुआ आसुची तले कोन हिथिबो? Obviously the number of molar will increase by 1. then मु कहितली मोलर टीथ चारटा गुण रे चारटा आसीबो. एठी हाफ ऑफ द अपर जो माने कोन एठी गोटे इंक्रीज हला, एपटे आ गोटे आसला माने कोन एपट भी गोटे इंक्रीज हला, ता माने +1 इन केस ऑफ अडल्ट. बुझि परले? तले केते हि जो सिंपली एटा तो सेम रहिबो, and the number of molars will increase from 2 to 3. सेमती लोअर jaw में 2 1 2 3 into 2. बुझि परले? तले केते आसी जिवो बे 2 1 3 3 2 5 5 3 8. 8 into 2 16. Upper jaw is 16 टा teeth. 2 1 3 3 2 5 5 3 8. 8 into 2 16. The number of teeth present on the upper jaw in the case of adult is 16, and the number of teeth present in case of adult in the lower jaw is also 16. So the total number of teeth present in case of adult is 32. So a objective गुड़ा का अपना मन रखिबा दरकार. The number of teeth present in case of male teeth, dental formula of the male teeth केते हबो? 2102. सबले मन रखंतु सीरियली केंती हबो? एटा हबो incisor. This one is the canine, this one is the premolar, last one is the molar. So 2102 divided by 2102 into 2, total asla amaro 10 plus 10. Number of teeth present in case of male teeth is known as 20. In case of dental formula of 16 years of age of child, 2122 2122. एठी आपण premolar नथिला, but 16 years case रे जब आपण new teeth arise हला, as this is the diaphragm type of teeth, the premolar teeth arises. जतबेले कि आपण 2102 थिला, एटा हे गेला 2122. So the 2122 as the dental formula changes, so the number of teeth also changes. The number of teeth present on the upper jaw is 14, number of teeth present on the lower jaw is also 14. So the total number of teeth present on the in case of 16 years of age of child is kete amount of 28 number of teeth. Last, the important dental formula in case of adult. The number of incisor present on the half of the upper jaw 2. Number of canine present on the half of the upper jaw 1. Number of premolar present on the half of the upper jaw 2, and the number of molar present in the half of the upper jaw is the number of molar present on the half of the upper jaw is 3. 16 years case रे केते थिला? 2 टा थिला, but जेहेतु आ गोटे गोटे एराइज हला तो चारटा पोर्शन रे चारटा एराइज हो, ताले गोटे गोटे एराइज हला into 2 ता माने 4 चारटा एराइज हो मोलर टीथ, ता माने the molar teeth numbers will increase from 2 to 3 कहीं ना एगुडा multiply into 2 होची so the dental formula of the adult case of child in case of adult the dental formula in case of adult is 2 1 2 3 divided by of the ratio between the 2 1 2 3 this is the incisor this is the canine this is the premolar this is the molar simply मन रख पहले अपना this is the incisor this one is the canine this one is the premolar last one is the molar into 2 is equal to total number of teeth present on the upper jaw is 16 number of teeth present in the lower jaw is also 16 so total number of teeth present in case of adult is 32 so these are the objectives which are very important milk teeth case रे कितने teeth 20 16 years child case रे कितने teeth थे 28 in case of adult how many number of teeth are present 32 so this is all about your today's class we have discussed up to teeth in next class we will study about tongue so आपण मन के असाइनमेंट हला पूर्व क्लास रे म आपण को असाइनमेंट देई नथली आपण को आज रे असाइनमेंट हला डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ मैन रो हेडिंग देबे कोन से एसोसिएटेड अछि एलिमेंटरी कैनल आ एसोसिएटेड ग्लैंड एलिमेंटरी कैनल रो काम कोन लिखिबे एसोसिएटेड ग्लैंड्स रो काम कोन लिखिबे एलिमेंटरी कैनल हेडिंग देबे ता अंडर रे मिनिमम 3टा पॉइंट लिखिबे तार लेंथ केते कोन स्ट्रक्चर केमती तापर आपण लिखिबे कोन कोन पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट अछि देन माउथ हेडिंग देबे माउथ रो अंडर रे मिनिमम 4टा पॉइंट आपण मन लिखिबे देन बकल कैविटी हेडिंग देबे बकल कैविटी हम दीटा पोर्शन ब्रीफली डिस्कस कर छाचे पैलेट आउ टीथ पैलेट अंडर रे मिनिमम 6टा इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट आपण मन लिखिबे नेक्स्ट टीथ को आसी स्टडी ऑफ टीथ कोन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ टीथ को कोन को जाय आउ टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ग्रोथ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप लिखिबे आउ जनरली टाइप ऑफ टीथ 4 टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ इंसिजर कैनाइन प्रीमोलर मोलर डिटेल लिखिबे एग्जांपल देबे सबरो नेक्स्ट डेंटल फॉर्मूला लिखिबे डेंटल फॉर्मूला डेफिनेशन लिखिबे ता रेशियो लिखिबे आउ तीनटा एग्जांपल देबे इन केस ऑफ 16 इयर्स सॉरी इन केस ऑफ मेल टीथ इन केस ऑफ 16 इयर्स ऑफ चाइल्ड और इन केस ऑफ अडल्ट द डेंटल फॉर्मूला लास्ट रे केते नंबर ऑफ टीथ प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ मेल टीथ 16 इयर्स ऑफ चाइल्ड और इन केस ऑफ अडल्ट थैंक यू